my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger. Today we will learn how to use less data for make a call on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. Open Signal app. Press on three dots which shown on top right. Click on Setting. Scroll down till we get Data and Storage. Click on Use Less Data for calls. Here you find three options. The first one, Never, means that use less data for call is not active. The second one, Cellular only. The third one, Wi-Fi and Cellular only. You can choose one of them. Let's press on third one. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.